Hey, guys. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and awesome deals. Today, we've got something really special for you, the M90 wireless headphones TWS Bluetooth touch control earphones. These aren't just your average earbuds, folks. These are next level, top of the line, game-changing wireless headphones that are going to completely revolutionize the way you listen to music, game, or take calls on the go. First off, let's talk about the incredible TWS Bluetooth technology. With these headphones, there are no more annoying cords or cables to get tangled up in. You get complete freedom to move and groove without being tied down. Plus, the touch control feature makes it super easy to change tracks, adjust the volume, or even take calls with just a simple tap. And let's not forget about the Hifi stereo sound quality. The M90 wireless headphones deliver rich, crystal clear sound that will transport you to another world. Whether you're working out, commuting, or just chilling at home, you'll feel like you're right in the front row of your favorite concert. But that's not all. These headphones are also perfect for gaming, with a built-in mic that ensures clear communication with your teammates. And they're compatible with any smartphone, so no matter what device you're rocking, these earbuds will have your back. So, if you're ready to take your listening experience to the next level, then do yourself a favor and grab a pair of M90 wireless headphones TWS Bluetooth touch control earphones today. You won't find a better deal on the market, and trust me, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on a pair. You won't regret it.